What's going on, everyone? It's Tay with Spectacular Gadgets, and in this video, I'll be installing and testing out the anti-reflecting screen protector straight from Samsung. Now, this was one of the products that I got with the Samsung credits. When you pre-ordered, they gave you some credits, so this was one of the products that I picked up. Let's do this!
Spectacular Gadgets.
So here we have what this anti-reflecting screen protector costs. It's $29.99 directly from the Samsung Shop app. So this is going to cost you $30 for this screen protector. Samsung with the S24 Ultra did not put a pre-installed screen protector on here. So we'll go ahead and put this one on since it already came with it. I'll go ahead and try this one out. So $30 is what you're going to pay for this anti-reflecting screen protector. Now on the back here, it says anti-reflection screen protector. It's a film and it's a screen protector. It says 2 pieces, dust removal sticker, 2 pieces, a microfiber cleaner, 1, a squeegee, 1, an applicator, 1, and installation guide. Alright, so that's everything that you get. So I'm opening it from the bottom. You get 1 box here. And then in here are the screen protectors. So that's everything that's in the box. Let's check out what's in this small box here. So you get this piece here. You get your dust removal stickers, your microfiber cloth, and your cardboard squeegee. So that's everything in this box. And then lastly, this is your screen protectors, and they give you 2. So for $30, you're getting 2 anti-reflecting screen protectors, 2 dust removal stickers, 1 microfiber cloth, and this has to be to help you line it up, I'm pretty sure. So it looks like we're gonna lay the phone down and it goes something like this. It looks like it goes like this. There's 2 stickers here. So I'm just going to peel the stickers off. That was 1 sticker here. And then you have 1 right here that I'm going to peel off. You see that blue? So peel that off. And you're just going to put down, it should like not move. I guess that's what they're trying to say. I'm even going to take my S Pen out. Alright. So now that I did that, I'm just lining it up just like that. So it's kind of stuck there. Just like that. Okay, now I can go ahead and wipe the device down. And mind you, I just unboxed this yesterday, so it hasn't even been out the house yet. So I'm just going to go ahead and wipe it down. When they add these little things, like this little applicator tool and stuff like that, I think it makes it a lot easier than it was back in the day where you just better have a steady hand. And you know, a lot of people, y'all remember how it was. I'm gonna pull it out of the plastic sleeve. And this has 1. And then this little tab right here says 2. And then you're gonna put it like 1/2 at a time. That's kind of why they have it like this little line down the middle. So let's go. So I guess I'll take my little tab here and I'm gonna pull it off. I'm going to turn it over and put it so that the 2 is showing. And I'm going to put it in, it's going to match these. So this is how you know if you have it wrong. It's not going to, as you see here, it should, so like, it's like dummy proof, guys. So just match it up. And I'm just going to do this for like 3 seconds. All right. Then it says remove, this is to remove this part. So I'm pulling this up, and then I'm gonna take this, and then as I bend this, this comes up. And then I'm just gonna take my squeegee. I'm gonna hold the phone at the top and just take the squeegee. So that did a good job. So now, I guess I'll take this part off of here. And I'm going to do the same thing. I may have done it backwards. The instructions aren't that great, but I want to do the same thing. So I'm going to kind of curl it over and then see how that flap came, and then just take my little squeegee and let it just lie down. I was hoping I got no bubbles. I just got these two little bubbles here, but so here it is. And now I just got to take off two, which is this. And there you go. That looks pretty good. I'll take this off, and that just comes off like that. It doesn't do any damage to the phone. I don't even feel any like sticky film or anything like that. So I'll put this back in. And how's that for anti-reflective? Even with it, the screen off, it's not even that bad. So here's the light. Here's a light, but it's not like super bad. And so if you do happen to have any bubbles, normally with these type of screen protectors, within a day or two, it'll be totally gone. So don't worry. But my advice to you is make sure that it is not dusty. You don't have any dust, lint, or anything before you do this, because it's going to drive you crazy. So that wasn't too bad at all. And if you did mess up, you do have a second one. But all in all, as long as you make sure that you hook this up the way that it's supposed to be, then you're not going to have any issues. It's not going to move, pull, or anything. So that worked out pretty good. This is different for sure, but you're most likely going to need this to make sure you can do it one and done. So I've installed the anti-reflecting screen protector from Samsung, and this one is smooth. As far as fingerprints, we'll have to see, but right now I don't see my fingerprints really like that. Not too bad anyway. As far as me being able to unlock the device, as you see, it's not stopping me from doing that at all. And because this is a smoother screen protector, opposed to like some of the matte screen protectors kind of have a like slight texture where sometimes it would wear down the nub of the S Pen. I don't believe that you're going to have any issues with that at all. So I don't see any issues right now. It's smooth. This is smooth. So no issues using this with the S Pen. And of course, this is case compatible. Well, that about wraps it up for this video. I want to thank everyone for taking the time to chill with me as we go through this journey. And until next time, everyone, I want you all to have a spectacular day. Later.